We're going to assemble this now so we can vacuum. So what we're going to do is take our wand and we're going to take this one end, and you're going to see there's a little red thing there. Now watch that. She presses it, it pulls out. She pushes it back in. Bam, done. Now we got to decide which head we're going to put on. We're going to put the monster head on. Check it out. So we're going to take this one, slide it right in there. hang on. All right. So you've got to get, there's little tracks on it, so it won't go in if you haven't got it straight. But this baby's ready to roll. Now all you got to do is pick it up and go vacuum something. All right, let's go do it. What are we going to vacuum today, my love?
Just the one I put my mat.
Oh, we're going out here. Oh, wait a minute, we're going to get this. Wow.
Maybe it's too big. I lift it up a little bit.
Yeah, this thing works fantastic. So, highly recommend it by me. And we might have more stuff we got to suck up over here. Honey, I'm on it. I'm coming. Here I come. Woo! Got it. So now, again, I recommend emptying this every time you use it, because you do not want to, you get more suction if you don't have a bunch of junk in there. You know what I mean? Once that fills up, man, it cuts down on the suction. So you want to empty it each time.